Hello everyone, my name is Abhimanyu grade 1B, Goldenbee Global Banaganda Baj. Today I want to speak on Teachers Day. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapati Radhakrishnan, who was a great president and excellent teacher. Teachers play a very important role in everyone's life. They give us knowledge, believe in us, and help us to achieve our dreams. Teachers are like mentors who help students be future leaders. Thank you for helping us to be a better person. Today I'm going to recite a slok for my lovely teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devu, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Prabhu Brahma, Das Meshi, Gurme Namaha.
Goldenbee Global, Beehive of Learning.